I dream of a digital India where 1.2 billion connected Indians drive innovation. I dream of a digital India where knowledge is strength and empowers the people. I dream of a digital India where access to information knows no barriers. I dream of a digital India where government is open and governance is transparent.
Digital India, launched in 2015 by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, has immensely transformed the digital profile of our country. Over the past 6 years of its tremendous and progressive journey, the program has become a mass movement and is successfully bridging the digital divide, gender divide, access divide and financial divide, resulting in acceleration of the socio-economic development of the country. Digital India has benefited every section of the Indian society, ensuring digital access, digital delivery of the services and digital inclusion of all based on technology that is sustainable, affordable and transformative. The government is committed to provide governance and services to our citizens in an affordable and efficient manner. Within the shortest span of time, it has ensured citizen participation and empowerment with the technology that is transformative, affordable and sustainable. The program has ensured digital inclusion of all through providing access of robust digital infrastructure created under it, facilitating connect with rest of the world. Digital India has established a resilient digital infrastructure with more than 130 crore mobile connections, 75 crore mobile internet subscribers, a network of 3.74 lakh functional common service centers, that is CSCs, and the Government of India's Cloud Meghraj, which hosts 1100 plus government application and databases, and BharatNet that aims to provide broadband to 2,50,000 gram panchayats in the country. The impact of this digital transformation is visible in daily lives of Indian citizens through several citizen-centric services. That is from Aadhaar that has provided digital identity to 129 crore citizens, Jan Dhan Yojana that has led to financial inclusion, to leakage-proof Aadhaar-enabled direct benefit transfer, to implementing paperless ecosystem through DigiLocker, which has more than 5.5 crore users, to mobile-based Umang services that has onboarded 20,786 services from 236 government ministries, to one-click payment through UPI, through which 273 crore transactions worth rupees 5 lakh crore was transacted in March 2021, amongst many others. To conclude, I would like to reiterate that Digital India is ensuring digital access, digital inclusion and digital empowerment, bringing about inclusive growth, sustainable development and is helping our nation progress towards a new India. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.